Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to log in and share your posts and stories to other apps inside of Instagram. For most users, you'll probably already be logged into and sharing to Facebook, but in this example, I'm going to also be adding Twitter to my linked accounts. To do this, open Instagram and then head to your profile page. Next, tap the three-line menu icon on the top right. In this menu, choose Settings, and then on the next screen, tap Account. Halfway through the list, you'll see Sharing to Other Apps. Choose that. You'll then see all of the different apps that you can connect and share to through Instagram. Like I said, you'll more than likely already be connected to Facebook, but if not, you can select that and log in to connect. But in this example, I'll be connecting Twitter. Tap Twitter and you'll be taken to the authorization screen. You'll then be asked to log in. Enter your username or email, enter your password, tap Remember Me, and then hit Authorize App. You'll then be logged in and authorized and your accounts will be connected. Now next time you make an Instagram post or story, you can easily share it to your other accounts. And that's how you easily connect and share your Instagram posts to other apps. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.